now is create a banner for the website. Now you can use programs like Photoshop or GIMP to do this, but a much simpler way is to go to a web page, and this is the address of the web page, www.bannercreator.nu/banner-maker.html. It's important that you type in this entire address, so do that now. And this is what the website looks like. We're not going to go into all the intricacies of making a banner using this website. There are many others that do it as well. But we're going to do a fairly simple website with a red background and light text color. So what we do here is very simple. We click on the red and we put first gradient color, and if you want a second gradient, sort of a slightly different shade of red, you hit that second gradient color. And then we choose the colors for the text elements, first text element, second text element, and even if we wanted a third text element, although we're not going to be using that. There are some pictures that we can put on the website. So what we do is we click on graphic ID, and up comes another website, and these have got numbers on them, and I want to use ID 106 for both elements, ID 106. So I click out of that, I go to 106, and this will put a picture at one end of my banner, and this will put a picture at the other end of the banner, both being the same banner. I only really want one line of text in my banner. You can put more lines in, but things get complex, so you can play with this. In this case, I'm going to call this Calvert's computer class. And you'll see that I've typed that in. I'm going to get rid of the text on the next line, and I'm going to get rid of the text on the next line. You can have more than one line of text in your banner, but we're just building a very, very simple one. We'd expect that you play around with this for a little while. And then I hit preview banner. Wait for the computer to line up, and you'll see there it's come up with Calvert's computer class. Now you'll see that it's a little bit uncentered, so we can probably fix that, but in this case we're not going to fix it by actually centering it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get rid of this one here, and then we'll preview again. Okay, and that'll look a little bit better. Okay, and it's taken that out. So there's an example of a banner. You can do something much more fancy than that. The final thing that you need to do though is download the banner. Okay, so we're going to download it, and we are going to save that into our, or initially we're just going to save it onto the web, onto the desktop. Okay, so we're going to save that onto the desktop and then shift it into our web folder. That concludes the banner lesson.